Hey, so for today, I am not looking to short here. I would rather wait for, you know, probably one more low to break in Nifty and then look for VWAPs. But I don't think I'll be looking for a short here around this price. On Banknifty, probably once, either if the day low breaks right now or the next candle, I will look for a buy, or else if it goes near these highs even before breaking the day low, I would look to short. But again, I wouldn't really want to short at this place. Same goes for Reliance. Looking for prices around 2350, 2345 for a short around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, after 2 o'clock maybe, but not looking to short around this price. Tricky day considering it's an expiry day. But yeah, I think Nifty has made the bottom for today, or will make the bottom probably by next candle, and it should then go to VWAP. Thank you.